Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Friendship Shaving. I'm in the kitchen because I have had some items sent to me from India from Pearl Shaving. So I'd like to thank Dara and the guys at Pearl Shaving. Thank you very much, fellas. Looking forward to showing these items off. Now, I went online initially to buy a razor stand and thought I'd buy a razor too. When I went to put in the order, Dara very kindly said, well, we'll send you some of the items for free if you review them on the channel. So that's what I've done. Bought some, got some for free. So I've unpacked them, guys, because if there's one thing you can be certain of with Pearl Shaving, they pack their items very well indeed. So I'm going to start just with this little brush here. I bought this just for a bit of fun. There we are in pounds, shillings and pence. It was, our survey says, £6.99. Just a bit of fun. It's a Stars and Stripes brush. You've maybe seen one before. I just thought that occasionally when I did an American shave, we could have a Stars and Stripes brush. It is a long loft and it is a soft brush. The loft is about 60 to 65 millimeters, so it is quite long. I think it'll be very easy to use, and we shall look forward to using that next time we have a US shave. But guys, £6.99, I couldn't really leave it there for that price, and as soon as I saw it, I thought, I know what I'm going to do with that. So I bought it. It comes packed in this box, and that box comes with cellophane wrapped around it, and that came in a box with packing, and that box came with bubble wrap and tape. It took me ages to get them out of the box. So the next thing I bought is, actually I didn't buy this, I went to buy this, but they sent this for free as well as the brush, and this is the Safety Razor K2. Very interesting looking razor indeed. It comes with two handles. So in the box we get a microfiber cloth, a thank you card which I always put in, and it's a very nice touch, a shaving guide, and then we get a packet of 10 blades. The gentleman, I've used these recently on Friendship Shaving, and they are a very nice blade indeed. And then we have the razor in the box with its two handles, a very slim handle, it might be said. There we are. So that is the first handle. Now that is 10 centimeters long, and the smaller handle is 7.5 centimeters long. They are lightweight, but they are made of brass and coated in this sort of matte silver coloured finish. The head has a variety of finishings on it. The guard plate is chromium plated. It is made, the head is made of a very dense zinc alloy. Will last a really, really long time. Now I've just noticed that on the thread here, that silver coloured plating is not quite covered the brass of the thread there, but no one's going to see that inside the razor. So there we are, very unusual looking. That all goes together like that. Now the short handle weighs 40 grams, the longer handle is 50 grams, and the head and guard plate is 36 grams. So we've got 76 and 86 grams respectively. There'll be no blade tabs sticking out of there. It's quite a wide head to it. That is a very short handle, I must say. Nice knurling on it, if you can see that in the light. And it says Pearl down the handle somewhere. There we are. There, that's probably the best you can see that. Very different, and that's why I picked it. I already have the Pearl Flexi and the Pearl Blaze, so I went with the K2, and it looks very interesting. Now I know that if I don't get on with the thin handle, I can put any normal sized handle on there and that will fit very well. I'm looking forward to trying that. Definitely looking forward to trying that. Nice little touch on the packaging. They put this little bit of cloth there stitched in to the box. You can just pull out the drawer. Lovely looking box, proudly made in India. Now this razor, guys, wait till you hear this. They've got a little bit of a sale on at the moment. It's not expensive anyway, but it's £12.99. £12.99, guys. Now I know you pay a bit of postage from India. It's not excessive, and if you buy a few things at that sort of price, it's certainly worth it. Now the other thing I've got are two stamps. So I'll just take it out of the box there. That's how it comes wrapped. We got the top piece, takes 7 razors of any size, and the bottom piece holes through it there. And they come with a couple of rods with screw-in bottoms and detachable top, so you can put it all together. And these are really well done because they are a really long screw. So they're not going to wobble, they're going to be really sturdy. I'm very impressed with that. It's got a lovely knurled finish on it. I found when I was putting it together, because it has pearl, I'm going to have to do something about this light. There we are, it has pearl written on the top there. I found the best way, because I wanted that lined up on both sides, was to put the top in, hold it, tighten up the middle bar as much as you can with your hands, tighten up the bottom, and then get a screwdriver to the bottom and just tighten out that extra turn, and then everything will be lined up as you wish. And I've got one put together here with some razors in, just so you can see. And there we are. I've got my Goddess of the Dawn. Now these happen to be all quite long handled razors. It takes a short handle razor, no problem at all. Obviously it's just going to hang, whereas the longer ones might actually sit in the stand. There we go, just like that. We've got a pearl blaze. Now that really is a long handle, wide at the bottom. That fits through, no problem. And I've got the outdoor, another long handle, doesn't quite reach the bottom here, but fits in beautifully. And all I've done with this is given it a clean with a little bit of furniture polish and a cloth. And in fact, there are yellow bits that have come off the cloth all over it on these little edges here. So there we are, that's it. There are just a couple of marks on the wood. Either end, there and there, it looks to me, it's either a very, very, very slight knock or a little bit of glue, but let me tell you the price of these guys, £8.99. I mean, you cannot go wrong with that price, and I am really pleased with these. I looked online for a while, I've been looking, and really fancied a wooden stand. I like these, you know, stylish metal posts that hold it all together. Yeah, I'm very, very pleased with that. So somehow going to fit that in my cupboard, because of course you need to take the razors out, so that's quite a big gap between shelves. Anyway, we'll find somewhere to put that and get a few razors out rather than just having them resting around the place. Thank you for joining me. To the guys at Pearl Shaving in India, thank you guys very much for your contribution to the channel, and I shall look forward to reviewing the K2 with this really small handle. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that, guys. Take care. I'll catch you soon. Bye bye now.